Booking.com is the app I use mostly to find a bed. I think it's a very easy to understand app. It's very easy to use and it gives very good and accurate information. I only had to use the customer service 2 times, and all both the times they were very quick and very accurate in their answer. On Booking.com, once you open the page, you can fill in where you want to go. So you can type in an area, can type in a city, and then it pops up all the hotels it has there. Most of the times you have a very long list of hotels and hostels you can choose from. I like to narrow down my options so I can get the most of what I want. So I used on top of the screen the filter, and you can filter down by how much you want to pay, the review score the hotel has, the type of accommodation. Do you want a hostel? Do you want a hotel, a pension? The facilities it offers, and the distance to the city center. When you used all the filters that are important to you, you just say show me the results, and it pops up all the destinations, hotels that are in your range for what you require. Then you can choose the hotel. If you pick a hotel, most of the times they have different types of rooms, or even if they have type of room, it can be that they still show the same type of room with different price range. The cheapest rooms are the ones that you cannot cancel at all. If you say I want to cancel with it 24 hours before I arrive and I want it to be free, the price will be higher. Once you select a room, you immediately get a booking confirmation that it's already booked. And a very convenient extra on the app is once you have booked it, it shows you on the front page what dates you already booked and the name of the hotel. And also, it works without Wi Fi. Because it works offline, you can also show the taxi driver, which is the name of the hotel and the address, and it also has an extra that you can push a button and then it shows the address in the language of the country you are. Very convenient. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you a very nice next trip. Stay safe and stay healthy, and see you in the next video.